Reviewing your financial statements regularly will help you keep a pulse on how your business is doing. I know from experience that when I'm working with many of my smaller business clients, especially those who are solopreneurs, it's hard for them to find the time to review their financial statements on a monthly basis. So I want to focus on the importance of a mid-year review of your financial statements to help your business grow. In today's episode, I'm talking about what you can do as you aim to expand and succeed in your business by effectively reviewing your financial statements at this mid-year point. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Take the time with me to explore how a mid-year financial statement review can be a game changer for your business. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created two options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. If you've been listening to this podcast for a while, you know that I highly encourage my listeners to review their financial statements on a monthly basis. Not only does this require you to keep your bookkeeping up to date so that you have accurate financial data to review, but the pulse you have on how your business is doing is so much greater. If you're a business owner who finds it hard to keep up with the monthly bookkeeping, and you're not doing your financial statement reviews on a monthly basis, you need to make sure that you are at the very least, doing a mid-year review of your financial statements. Now that half of the year has gone by, you need to get your bookkeeping up to date so that you're not struggling at the end of the year with 12 full months of bookkeeping that takes up all of your evenings and your weekends just so that you can have the data ready for you to get your tax return done. Think about all that information that you could be utilizing if you were gaining knowledge from your financial statements throughout the year. You have to do your bookkeeping anyways. You might as well do it when you can reap the benefits from it. When you, at the very least, do catch up on your bookkeeping at this mid-year point, you're going to be proactive by having your first half of the year up to date so that you can do a thorough review of your mid-year financial statements. You'll know exactly the path that you're on to not only reach the goals that you've set for your business this year, but you'll also have all the data you need to successfully start your tax planning. When you do your mid-year review of your financial statements, you'll be able to see where your net income is sitting in comparison to prior years, and you'll be able to see what your potential tax liability may be so that you can start preparing. A mid-year review of your financial statements is simply a review of how your business has done financially for the first half of the year. Once you know you have all of your bookkeeping transactions recorded and you've done all of your bank reconciliations, you can be confident that your financial statements are reflecting an accurate picture of your financial data. You'll want to review your balance sheet to ensure each of the items listed is accurate. And when you compare your balance sheet to your prior year, you'll see exactly how your assets, your liabilities, and your equity are comparing. Your income statement, on the other hand, will show you your net income or your net loss for the year so far. When you're looking at your income statement, make sure that you're reviewing the entire first 6 months of the year. If you're using a computerized bookkeeping system such as QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online, you can also simply customize your report to show the prior year's information as well, so that you can compare how you're doing this year to date to how you did last year at this same exact point in time. By reviewing these two financial reports, you'll gain an understanding and a clear picture of your business's financial performance and position. A mid-year review is a checkpoint to ensure that you are on track to meet your financial goals. It allows you to identify any potential issues or areas of concern early in the year so that you have time to make any necessary adjustments for the remaining portion of the year. You can start to see trends, opportunities, and potential risks that may have gone unnoticed if you didn't do a mid-year review. This is helpful for all business owners, but especially for those solopreneurs who are wearing all the hats as business owners. This mid-year review will help you not only stay up to date with your financial information, but it will give you the opportunity to make any changes needed to meet your goals or fine-tune your strategies for the remainder of the year. If you're still finding it hard to find the time to get your bookkeeping up to date throughout this mid-year review, you might want to start thinking about hiring a bookkeeper to help you with these tasks. It's such an important part of your business. So if you are unable to prioritize staying up to date with your bookkeeping, start asking yourself if it's time for you to get some additional help in this area so that you can make smart business decisions. Now that you know what you should have in place to do your mid-year review, you may be asking what in particular you should be looking at. I recommend you focus on one of the key aspects of your business with the income statement. This report will reflect all of your revenues and your expenses for the time frame. Analyzing your revenue streams and identifying the most profitable ones can guide your business decisions for the rest of the year. As far as expenses go, you can evaluate if there are any areas where cost-cutting measures can be implemented without impacting your revenue or the quality of what your business has to offer your customers. The analysis of your income statement, as well as the comparison to the prior year, will allow you to identify any financial challenges you may experience before they become a significant problem. For example, knowing where you're sitting this year compared to last year will help you understand your potential tax liability and will give you time to prepare for a higher tax payment that you may need to make. You may also see that your profit margin is not quite what you were hoping for. If this is the case, you still have time for the remainder of the year to make changes to improve these amounts. If you're finding that you're just not meeting the goals that you set for the year, it gives you the opportunity to look into the problem and find a solution so that you can be more on track to meet these goals over the next few months. You may need to get help with setting realistic and achievable financial goals for the remainder of the year. When I work with my clients, the mid-year financial review is a huge player when we're reviewing their goals. We often need to reassess them or dig deeper to see what's causing the results that they're currently getting. We work together to create a well-informed action plan to optimize their financial performance in the future. Don't let another year go by in your business without a mid-year financial review. This is a place where many business owners underestimate the impact of the process. Look at reviewing your financial statements and embrace the work you do when performing a mid-year review as a powerful tool for growth and improvement. By implementing a process in your business where you do a mid-year review on an annual basis, you'll be adding another tool in your toolbox as an overall strategy for achieving the goals you set in your business. This process will help you stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive advantage. Growing your business is a usual strategy for most business owners. Enjoy the journey your business is taking and utilize your financial statements as a compass that guides you to reach success in your business. I work with business owners and accountants to create the actionable steps they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm that they feel from the pressure of owning a business, the deadlines, and the workload that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. This is a new coaching program, and I'm opening it with special pricing for a limited time. The investment is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way for you. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it will sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. I made the final touches on it, and it's now available for you. I know how much you wanted it. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, and stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.